Hey friends, Alex from Ashcraft, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the new Arise devotional from Illustrated Faith. This is written by my friend Janet of Top Notch and Jesus, and I'm just so excited to read her devotional, read her heart. She just she pours her entire heart into everything she does, and it's just so awesome to see what comes out of it, especially through a devotional. And these colors are just to die for. Love them, love them, love them. And I love what I've seen so far of this kit. I knew I just had to have it right away. So I'm going to peel that off because I'm going to use that later. But I thought you might like to see what comes in the kit. And here's some of my ideas for how I'm going to work through it. So this is the washi wonky stripe. So much fun. That is a good like everyday washi. That's gonna be awesome. And then a cute little star sticker. How cute is that? Like the shooting star. That's on the front of the kit. So lots of little stars to use. Fun little postcard with just the thank you note from Shauna on the back and a sneak peek of next month's kit. This font that they use, these colors, it's just awesome. I'm super excited to be using those. These are just little like cutout stars, shooting stars, and they're kind of like a frame as well as the inside of the frame, because that's a big theme of this kit. Janet said was just the like framing of things, and I love that they had the frame stars. And then on with the theme of frames, a bunch of different, like really intricate frames that are cardstock, like the die cut cutouts. I love that they include the positive and the negative of the frames as well. That'll give a lot of really fun layering. And these frames are just so cute. Love how they're doodled. And then, I'm not going to open all these because that's going to take a while, and I know I'm going to lose everything. But these I might open just because they have a lot of different words and different shapes for these. So, love, hope, faith. And then these are different words that go along with the devotion. Some of them come in squares, some of them come in cutouts, and there's some extra ones as well. And if you get the physical kit, you also get a lot of like the frames and these words in digital form as well, which I'm really excited about because I know I'm going to end up hoarding some of these, so having a backup as a print option definitely excites me. This stamp is super cute. Love the extra frames, kind of the faux washi, the stars, and then the photo corners. I'm super excited about those, and just like journaling corners, and kind of make different spots to journal that way. And the confess it, claim it. Super excited about this kit. I know Storyteller really spoke to my soul, which is the last devotional that Janet wrote for them, and I'm in need of some really good devotional content, and like I said, Janet never fails with that. And then the devotional is the Traveler's Notebook size that Illustrated Faith always does, and this is just gorgeous with the frames. And I'm not going to do too much because I don't want to ruin for anyone. I don't want to ruin myself. But I'm going to be doing all of this in one of my standard Traveler's Notebook covers. I haven't decided if I'm going to use my brown or my green. These are both from Webster's Pages. Love their like faux leather notebook covers. But I'm going to have to clean these out anyways. I don't know which one I'm going to use. Probably end up with like the teal green. Not teal. The mint green. But let me know if you have an opinion in the comments of which of those covers that I should use from Webster's Pages. Like I said, I think I'm leaning towards the mint, but I could be convinced otherwise. So let me know if you have any thoughts. And then I also have some coordinating prayer request cards in my shop that would go really well. And I'm also, if I can find a space in here to do it, I'm probably going to do a little pocket to hold these as well. But I'm really excited to set this all up. I'm excited to really dive into the devotional. I'm really excited to see what you guys all do with it as well, and kind of do this as a community, because I think right now we're all hurting a little bit with all the different things going on in the world, and I think we just need a lot of togetherness in Jesus. So let me know what you're excited about for this kit. Let me know what cover you think I should use, and I can't wait to see what you do with it, and be sure to check back in a couple of days for what I'm doing with it and how I'm going to put it together. And I'm so excited to start on May 1st with you guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.